Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find food as a carnivore in the aisle. Finding food quickly is key to surviving and reaching adulthood. As a small carnivore, your best method for tracking food is listening. AI animals on the map are very loud, and these are usually your first food sources when you spawn in. Two of the first animals you can hunt are boars and deer. Once you start hunting them, use your scent ability by holding Q. This will highlight corpses or blood trails in the environment. Look for glowing indicators on the ground to follow the trail of the animal you injured. If you see blood, follow the trail carefully. Carnivores rely heavily on sound, positioning, and timing. Once you grow larger, you can contest kills or hunt other players' dinosaurs. Managing your stamina during hunts is critical. Don't sprint endlessly before engaging or you'll be vulnerable. And that's how to find food as a carnivore in the aisle. Thank you so much for watching.